In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the process of updating your login settings on Squarespace, providing a clearer and more secure way to manage your account. Let's dive right in. First, we need to begin by accessing the homepage via the provided link. This step is straightforward, but setting your homepage as a bookmark can save time for future access and streamline your workflow, particularly if you regularly use Squarespace. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to head over to your account settings. Look for the Account Settings tab on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is your gateway to various settings and personalizations for your Squarespace account. Clicking on this will bring you to a more detailed menu where you can manage everything from your personal information to security protocols. Next, let's focus on security. In the Account Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Security. Clicking on security is crucial as it allows you to manage all security-related aspects of your account. Regularly reviewing and updating your security settings is a good practice to ensure that your account remains secure from unauthorized access. Once you click on security, navigate to the Login Provider menu. This section is where you manage how you log into your account and choose different options available. Ensuring you select a secure provider that you trust can offer an additional layer of security. After you've accessed the Login Provider section, the next step is to click Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account, which can be particularly useful if you prefer to keep your login credentials streamlined across different platforms. Now, after choosing to continue with Google, you might want to select different login credentials. Perhaps, for added security or personal preference, selecting other email login credentials ensures your information remains secure. It's worth noting that it can be beneficial to use an email for which you have two-factor authentication enabled. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to verify your identity using a method outside your password. Finally, once you have chosen your preferred login email credentials, click to continue. This step finalizes the changes you've made, securing your account with the updated login provider information. Be sure to review your selections to ensure everything is correct. And there you have it, a seamless process to update and secure your login on Squarespace. Remember, periodically reviewing and updating your security settings is an essential practice for maintaining your online security. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Stay safe, and see you in our next video.